Hey everybody, I wanted to post a last minute video on using Excel just in case some of you maybe haven't had a lot of experience with Excel. When I posted the Homework 11 data, this is the Excel file you should see. I just looked on Teams and it looks like people are actually editing the file on Teams. I'm not sure how that happened. I'm going to try to lock it and somehow the idea is you would download a copy of this yourself. So anyway, here's the data. And so I'll show you in a minute how you can find the average and the sample standard deviation. But real quick, on the first problem, you want to take the difference of this column and this column. So to do that, just type in this cell, and you can just say equals, and then click this, and notice how it puts A1 in the formula, and then you say minus, and you can click this one, and it puts B1. You could have just typed all of that, but if you click, it's easier, and then click enter. And it took the difference for you. And then rather than do that 20 times, nobody wants to do that, just click right here, see how my cursor changes to the little T, and just drag down, and it'll do it for you on each one of those. And so that's it. You don't need to take absolute values or anything like that. Just compute the differences. So now, given a certain column, like this one, I want to know the average and the sample standard deviation. So you'll do that for this column, for this column, for this column, and for this column. So click somewhere else. It doesn't matter where you click. I'll click over here, and I'm just going to say equals, and I'm going to type in the word average. If you start typing, it'll actually, you can click the word you want right there. Just type the word average, and then I want to average this entire column, so I'm just going to click on C, and it puts in the code for me. I do need to close out the parenthesis, and then click enter, and that's X bar, just like that, minus 37, done. To do the standard deviation for one of these columns, you just click enter. I just type ST, and then you notice the third option. There's standard deviation P, that's the population, and then standard deviation S, that's sample, we want that one. So standard deviation S, double click on your column, or just type in C:C, whatever for column C, and click enter, and there's your standard deviation. So you'll do that, what I just did, for each of the columns that you're interested in, right? C, D, F, and H, but that's how you do it. So I hope this is helpful. If you're seeing some crazy Excel stuff, it's because people are probably unintentionally editing it live on Teams, and I'm going to try to make that not happen anymore. So, all the best. I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever you watch this. Bye.